So what did I tell you? We found something fantastic. Today's episode, how do you doing? Welcome. Today I'm writing a Rigoletto. I saw a rehearsal 2 weeks ago at the Royal Opera here in Stockholm and I was not amused. I was bored. So it's quite hard writing about it because it's sort of like blah, blah, blah. So now I thought I might recycle some plastic instead. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to come back and write. So now I'm watching sort of this 42-minute long conversation about this production of Rigoletto. So in today's episode we are going, me and my friend Ulf are going home to my friend Taylor to get his microwave oven and put it at my room at work so we can use it there. It's, in other words, being donated. And after that, me and Ulf are going shopping for stuff. I don't know. He says he needs a carpet of some kind. And I don't know what I need. I need stuff. So I'm finally done writing about Rigoletto. It's not very sort of deep writing. I wasn't that inspired. I thought the show was kind of boring. So I realized I didn't sort of quite tell you why I didn't like the production. And it was sort of, there's a Swedish word called präktig, which sort of translates to prim and proper. And I think this production was prim and proper. Sort of, yeah, and quite unerotic. And often opera needs sex. I think it's opera often needs sex. And I think this production was sort of really focused on saying that men are assholes, which made the women who love them sort of assholettes, I guess. So Ulf just sent me a text saying he will be here in 1 minute, so I'm going out. I expect to be waiting for 5 minutes. He's got a very strange notion of time. So 1 hour could be 2. This time he's really here. We are on our way to Bauhaus to buy some wall-to-wall carpeting for Ulf's office. This is Ulf. He's an excellent driver. Trying to choose carpets. What I didn't know is that we're supposed to buy them and carry them home as well. So I said I like this one, but Ulf said he liked this one better. And I don't know, it's his room. So Ulf is standing in queue because he wants some assistance, and I'm sort of discovered this. Boots. So he just bought wall-to-wall carpeting. So this is a great measuring things. This says mine is longer than yours. That done, now we're going to a really interesting place called Fyndhörna, I think. I don't know, it's really weird. They have these exotic things you've never seen before. So this is like dollar store, but more exotic, I think. intresserad vi är av övervåningen nu. This is the second floor and it's filled with sort of kitschy things. But involuntarily kitschy. So what should I tell you? We found something fantastic.
Jag vill inte ha i färg. Det passar inte in. Nej.
It's my cart. This is Ulf. So, fashion, art, culture. This used to be weird, but it's not anymore. Ulf knows a thing or two about fashion. Who does not want to have a cheap at home? So I got a question. Does this frog, does he try to be sexy or she tries to be sexy? Right? Sexy frog. I've always been a great promoter of art in any form, but this might be, well,
Too exclusive.
too exclusive. The weather is not very nice. Have dinner. This is where we parked the car. We're not quite sure where we are. We don't know where to get in. So if you missed it, it's Christmas. Definitely Christmas. Var maten fantastiskt god? Du är mätt och glad?
Ja.
Är det här något du kan rekommendera?
Ja.
Here we are looking for a white car. White car. White car. White car. We thought this was it. People, it's fucking snowing. Oh my. This is the house that Christian lives in, apparently. Don't know which one, I think that's him over there. He wants to say that.
I just moved in, it's not ready.
So this will look so much better with, well, he's ordered a sofa, so here's the outline of where the sofa's going to stand. So this is me carrying the microwave oven that we donated by Christian down the stairs. Now we are on our work. Now we are on our way to work, to the theatre where I work, to leave the microwave oven and then go back, say goodnight and have a life. Well, not a life, but... So this is Christmas. Oh, we can't really see those, so the lamps. Luxurious.